All right, so you've probably heard the term AI thrown around a lot lately. It's everywhere. In the news, in movies, and definitely all over your social media feeds. But what is it really? Let's break it down. Think of artificial intelligence, or AI, as teaching a computer to think and learn, kind of like a human does. It's not about robots taking over the world like in sci-fi flicks. It's much more practical. It's about creating smart software that can recognize patterns, make decisions, and solve problems. It's the brain behind some of the coolest tech we use every single day, often without even realizing it. AI is the secret sauce making our devices smarter and our lives just a little bit easier. The cool part is that AI is designed to handle tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This could be anything from understanding what you're saying to your phone to spotting a fraudulent transaction on your credit card. The goal isn't to replace us, but to augment our own abilities. It's like having a super fast, super efficient assistant who's really good at specific things. This assistant can sift through massive amounts of information in seconds, find the one thing you're looking for, or even help doctors diagnose illnesses earlier. Let's get practical. Where is this AI stuff actually showing up? The easiest place to look is right in your hand, your smartphone. Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa. These assistants use natural language processing, understand your spoken words, search for an answer reply in a way that makes sense. The camera on your phone uses AI. Recognize faces, adjust the lighting, suggest the best shot. That portrait mode that blurs the background? AI identifies the subject and separates it from everything else. Tiny, powerful photographer in your pocket. Beyond your phone, AI is a huge player in how we shop. When you're browsing Amazon or Netflix, you're seeing AI at work. Recommended for you isn't random. Algorithms analyze what you've watched, what you've bought, what you've clicked on. So, how does AI actually work its magic? Let's demystify it a bit. At its core, AI, especially the kind we see today called machine learning, is all about learning from data. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize a cat. You wouldn't write millions of lines of code describing every possible type of cat. Instead, you'd show it thousands and thousands of pictures of cats. The AI model analyzes these images, looking for common patterns. Pointy ears, whiskers, a certain eye shape, a tail. It learns what a cat looks like by seeing countless examples. Over time, it builds its own internal rules for identifying a cat. This process is called training. During training, the AI makes a guess. Is this a cat? And then it's told whether it was right or wrong. With each guess, it adjusts its internal logic, its algorithm, to be more accurate the next time. It's a lot like how a child learns. A toddler points at a poodle and says doggy, gets a yes, then points at a sheep and says doggy, and gets a no. Through this trial and error feedback loop, the child, and the AI, refines its understanding of the world. The more data an AI gets, and the more feedback it receives, the smarter and more accurate it becomes at its specific task. Now, there isn't just one type of AI brain. Different tasks require different approaches. For understanding language, AI uses models that are trained on massive amounts of text from books and the internet. The real beauty of AI is how it benefits so many different people in their daily lives. For students, AI is becoming an incredible learning companion. Imagine having a personalized tutor available 24/7. AI-powered educational apps can adapt to a student's individual learning pace. If you're struggling with algebra, the AI can provide extra practice problems and detailed explanations until you get it. And if you're flying through a subject, it can offer more advanced topics to keep you challenged. This customized approach helps students learn more effectively. For professionals in the workplace, AI is a game changer for productivity. It's automating the boring, repetitive parts of the job, freeing up humans to focus on more strategic and creative work. Think about an accountant who can now use AI to automatically scan and categorize thousands of receipts in minutes, a task that used to take days. Or a marketing team that uses AI to analyze customer data and identify the most effective campaign strategies. These tools don't just save time. They provide insights that can lead to better decisions and better outcomes for the entire company. It's like giving every employee a smart assistant to handle the grunt work. Families are also seeing the benefits of AI in managing the chaos of daily life. Your smart speaker can manage a shared family calendar, add items to the grocery list with a simple voice command, control the lights and thermostat to save energy. AI-powered security cameras can distinguish between a package delivery, a stray animal, and an actual intruder, sending you more meaningful alerts. The stories of AI making a real impact are already all around us. Take the case of a small business owner who was struggling to keep up with customer service emails. They were overwhelmed. By implementing a simple AI-powered chatbot on their website, they were able to instantly answer common questions about shipping, returns, product details. This freed them up to handle the more complex customer issues personally. The result? Customer satisfaction went up, and the owner got back hours of their week. Here's another one. A team of researchers was trying to find a cure for a rare disease. They had to manually analyze thousands of medical research papers, a process that could take years. By using an AI tool designed to read and understand scientific text, they were able to scan the entire library of existing research in a matter of days. The AI highlighted connections and potential drug interactions that no human had spotted before, pointing them in a promising new direction. This is a perfect example of AI accelerating human ingenuity. Think about a freelance graphic designer who uses AI-powered software to speed up their workflow. They can use AI to instantly remove the background from a complex photo, a task that used to be tedious and time-consuming. They can use AI art generators to quickly brainstorm visual concepts for a client, providing multiple options in a fraction of the time. It amplifies their creativity and allows them to focus on the artistic vision